Good morning, everybody. Wednesday, the 11th of May 2016, round about 10 a.m. GMT, and it's time for our daily morning market forecast. First of all, looking at the Euro US dollar, looking at it on the 4-hour chart. I've placed a trade, guys, and I'll put the details of the trades, the level where I placed my stop loss and my take profit. I'll put all of that in the description below this video, but as we can see, we have a new low that has formed at the outer long-term trend line. We have a break of the downtrend line, and I've decided to enter the trade and go long. And as I say, the details of this trade is available in the description below this video. Looking at the US dollar Japanese yen, after yesterday's really nice and really strong push upwards towards this trend line over here that I've been speaking about at length, we see a slight retracement, and I'm going to draw in an uptrend line just to try and determine where that retracement might end. You can see over there, this uptrend line is in the same vicinity as this previous level over here. That doesn't mean that the market will retrace all the way down to this level. However, I would not trade the US dollar Japanese yen at the moment. What I would like to see is for this level to be taken out again first before I enter the market again on a long trade. Gold, also on the 4-hour chart, we can see, as I explained yesterday after this trend line break over here, that the market is going back to at least test the back of this trend line. And again, I'm not happy to enter gold just yet. We will have to wait it out and see what exactly happens at this trend line over here. The US dollar South African rand, let me just zoom out there so we can see it nicely. As we can see, as per the forecast, the market did eventually extend to very close to that trend line over there. Hasn't yet touched it, and seems to now be wanting to go back to actually touch that trend line after a slight retracement. But we'll have to also see what happens once the market does get to this trend line over here. Does it break through the trend line? Does it bounce off the trend line? So we've had wonderful trades on the US dollar South African rand in this move, and now we'll just have to wait it out and see. Looking at silver, the same thing as yesterday. After this trend line break, the market seems to be testing previous levels. We see that it touched a previous level over there. Seems to now be pulling back from it. Market could go all the way up to test the back of this trend line, which would cause quite an interesting situation to watch. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. Oil is a bit of a difficult call to make at the moment, again also because we don't really know where the market is going to go to, and I'd like to give you guys an update on that this afternoon. Now, finishing off with the Great British Pound US dollar, the Queen's currency. As you can see, I've placed pending orders both long and short, and the details of those pending orders will also be in the description below this video. Guys, if you found this video to be helpful, if you want to trade with us on a daily basis, please go ahead, click on subscribe, and join us in the fun that we have while we make profits. Until this afternoon, guys, as always, trade safe.